Hi there, I'm Krista with WTI. I'm going to tell you today what has honestly been the best upgrade that I've made to my Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's these FREESO's luxury car seat covers. I know it might sound wild, but I actually think that these seat covers might even look better than the original seats that I'm trying to protect. They have really brought a crisp, fresh feel back into my Jeep's interior. The black quilted PU leather adds a really sleek and upscale look, but they're also practical. They're waterproof, durable, and easy for us to keep clean. I've been so impressed with the custom fit that is so precise for my make and model. It's tailored down to the smallest detail. As you can see, all of the edges line up perfectly around the seat belts, armrests, headrests. They fit just like a glove. Installing the set did take about an hour, and it did require some tucking and pulling to get everything just right. Each cover comes with elastic bands that hook and clasp so that once they're installed, there's no slipping or bunching. And the brand even included this little tool to help us to get into those tight spots in the corners and edges. So if you're thinking of upgrading your car's interior, don't sleep on these FREESO's luxury car seat covers. They are stylish, practical, and worth every penny. And that's my point of view.